best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're taking a look at TaskMagic, a powerful productivity tool that creates the most impactful automations for your business without any coding or confusing APIs. There's a lot of AI-powered automation tools out there, but there's nothing quite like TaskMagic. The beauty is in its simplicity. Picture this. You're about to start work for the day, but just before you do, you hit record on your TaskMagic dashboard. Now, you've just got to do what you normally do. In TaskMagic, records, analyzes, and creates automations specifically for your tasks. It's called predictive workflows. It's genius. No coding used. Just do the thing you want while TaskMagic watches, and the automation appears. If Harry Potter can send all those books flying back on the shelf with a simple spell, then you can perfect your workflows with TaskMagic. But you don't need to learn any spells for this Lifetime Deal. Just hit buy down to grab yours today. TaskMagic is built for tasks that traditional automation tools can't handle. By clicking, typing, copy and pasting, it's like you're literally cloning yourself. Once you have some automations, you can create triggers that run at specific times, which means you can do other stuff during, like calling your mom back for getting a couple solid push-ups in. Of course, you can make multiple automations in workspaces for your biz, and everything is super easy to organize. And if you're worried about team collaboration, don't stress. TaskMagic offers unlimited team invites, so you can bring anyone you want into the inner circle. Secret handshakes not included. This is the easiest way to automate repetitive tasks for your business. Do the task once and then never do it again. Trust me when I say TaskMagic won't be this price for long. So now is the best time to say yes